I'm surprised myself. I've been rolling stones in my hand for like 20 days. And what I just realized, or a few days ago, I realized my hands got bigger. Just moving those stones. Here I take 3 stones in one hand and 3 stones in my other hand, and I roll them either facing upward, or if it's facing like this, then I'm rolling with just 2 stones. And then more difficult is rolling like this. You move the stones around. So I've been doing this exercise. It's kind of fun to play with and see that you are getting more agile in your hands. But I didn't expect that my hands would become bigger. My hands have become wider, which I think it is. I like the way my hands look. So I'm even more excited about continuing my exercise with these precious, invaluable toys of mine to continue strengthening my hands. Why do this exercise? Why have I started to do this exercise? It is because as a part of hand training, as a part of grip training, it is also important to consider movements like this to help with the overall dexterity, overall blood flow, to get more control of your individual fingers. So I think that this exercise helps to make hands more healthy, especially in a nowadays world where much of the time we spend with the smartphone in a certain position, and our fingers get lazy, they don't move. So just do this exercise, rolling stones in your hand. Your hands will become healthier and your hands may become bigger. And I really like the way my hands look. They look more big, more healthy, more fit, more strong, more manly, And I'm gonna continue rolling my stones, doing this little interesting and kind of entertaining exercise, especially if you are engaged with a conversation with another person, or you are waiting somewhere. You can also use that time and start rolling those stones in your hand, and that's kind of fun too, and that's healthy. And I will keep you updated with the size of my hand changes. So all the best, my dear friends. Let's go and let's train. Wow, this one is stubborn. So sometimes it is more difficult because these stones are not completely round, and because they may be also different in size, but that makes the exercise just more difficult. And I have actually learned this exercise from a strong man, an older strong man. His name is John Brookfield. I'm reading his book, where he's a master of grip strength, very powerful man. So he is using the metal balls to do this exercise. And I couldn't get metal balls, but I could get stones. So I'm doing this and so upward I was doing with 3. When this direction I'm doing with 2, because it is more difficult. Also go one way and then also go an opposite way. So in the beginning it's more difficult, but with time you get better. And then like this, palm facing downward, also you try to move the stone, you see? So you this way and then also the opposite way. So I think that these movements had actually made my hand bigger, my hand became larger, my hand became wider. Now I have to not to make the stones drop on the camera. Yes, and then the other way. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun.